In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel to QuickBooks. By the end, you'll feel confident bringing your spreadsheet data into the right place so it shows up exactly where you expect in QuickBooks. First, look to the top right of your QuickBooks screen and click the Settings gear icon. This is your gateway to tools that manage and move data. From the menu that opens, choose Import Data under the Tools category. This takes you to the area where QuickBooks lets you bring in information from an Excel file. Next, decide what record type you want to import. This is important because each record type, like customers, vendors, products and services, or invoices, has its own settings and required fields. Not every record type supports Excel files, so if you don't see the option you expect, that record may have different import options. Think carefully about where you want your spreadsheet's information to land. For this walkthrough, I'll choose Invoices, then click Import. Now, select Upload a file to import data, and click Browse to locate the Excel file on your computer. Pick the file you've prepared and confirm. Before you upload, it helps if your spreadsheet has clear column headers, consistent date formats, and clean values without extra symbols. For example, make sure amounts are numeric and customer names match what you use in QuickBooks, so they map cleanly. After your file is selected, you'll be prompted to map fields. Mapping simply means telling QuickBooks which column in your Excel file corresponds to which QuickBooks field. For instance, match your invoice date column to the invoice date field, your customer column to the customer field, and so on. If a column in your spreadsheet isn't needed, you can leave it unmapped. Take a moment to verify that every required field, such as customer, invoice date, and amount, is correctly aligned. When you're satisfied, click Next. You'll then map tax rates. This ensures each line or invoice gets the correct tax treatment. Choose the appropriate tax codes so the totals in QuickBooks match what's in your spreadsheet. Consistent naming and formats in your file will make this step smoother. If everything looks correct, proceed to import. In my case, I'm working in a test account, so I won't finalize the import here. In your account, you'll complete the import and let QuickBooks process the data. That's it. Click the gear, go to Import Data, pick your record type, upload your Excel file, map your fields, map your tax rates, and import. With careful mapping and a clean spreadsheet, your data should flow into QuickBooks accurately and ready to use.